Everything worked except one thing that businesses actually need. So I'm an indie developer based in Zimbabwe, and here I share the different projects I build. Without further ado, let's go. We are currently building a business management software or a point of sale system that can actually work both online and offline without clutter, and you can actually access your things from anywhere in the world by just a click of a button. It's a hybrid system. When we last spoke, I pointed out that I couldn't actually get the mobile version of the app to print receipts, which was a very frustrating thing. At first I thought the Bluetooth was broken because you could pair, but the connect button inside the Bluetooth settings was not actually working. But when you switched to another app, or when I downloaded another app, it worked, meaning that the problem wasn't with the Bluetooth, there was something else. So I pivoted. Now I was thinking that it was the plugin's fault. I thought that the plugin was not actually sending the print requests to the printer, so must be the one that is broken. Only after I had run multiple tests and runs and tried to isolate the run error, that's when I found out that no, it was not the Bluetooth pairing issue or the plugin, it was a simple calling error. Let me explain. So instead of calling the printer, the app was calling the first device it found on the Bluetooth settings. Come to think of it, that was a very embarrassing problem to get worked up on. But still, so I fixed that and added a proper printer selection mechanism inside the app so that you could actually choose which printer is going to print from the devices connected to the Bluetooth. And what do you know? It actually worked. You must say, that's it then, problem solved. But nah, I ran into another problem. So it was now printing the receipts, but they had a problem. They were too small and were mingled up. A lot was going on one small receipt. But the good thing with this problem was that I knew exactly what to fix, which was the thermal receipts configuration for the mobile device. But I later found out that instead of using a different file for the thermal configuration for the mobile devices, I could have just used. Why not just use one configuration file? But well, I'll come back to that and fix that another time. That is if I don't decide to fix it after the video. So truth be told, I ran into other multiple bugs and problems after it fixed the configuration, like the build. I somehow broke my workflow and other small bugs, but at the end of the day, most of them I fixed. Some we'll find out as we go on. So now that our printing problem was done, guess what? We finally got our first big client. He's a retail chain owner. So in the next video, I'll be telling you how I'm handling his setup. So stick around to see that. Also, if you want to test the system, I also have a 14-day free trial so that you can try it and you'll tell me what you think.